Hi guys! Welcome to Visayang Tagalog Kitchen. So today, we will cook another recipe. Kung katong niagin, salad ta, katong nag-live ko. So karon, ngayon naman is we will do something different but common in Filipino taste. So we will cook leche flan. Mga lecheng flan. Leche flan. Okay? So our ingredients are egg, evaporated milk, condensed milk. So I need 10 eggs, 2 evaporated milk, and 2 condensed milk. So also we need the sugar, the caramelized sugar. So muna siya atong caramelized sugar, caramelize ko na kanina. How to caramelize, you just watch this. Okay guys, this is how you caramelize your sugar. So we burn this one. Okay, this is 2 tablespoons sugar. So slowly you caramelize the sugar. As you can see, it's already melting. Okay, now our sugar start melting. So wait until it become a golden brown. The important is you don't overcook or burn the caramel so that hindi siya mo pait. Nice and golden brown. So this is how you caramelize the sugar. Okay, turn in golden brown. Okay. Okay, now we start. So first need the egg. So need 10 eggs. So normally kailangan natin tanggalin yung egg white. Only I need egg yolk. Bro, kulang ako ng isang egg. Can you give me one? Okay. Thank you. Okay, we have already 10 eggs. So we mix it. Make sure is one stroke para hindi siya mag-bubbles. Slowly mix it. After that, you add your condensed milk. Low pa. So one. I just put 1.5 milk so that not too sweet. But normally they want to put is the ratio is 1:4. So kasi ayaw ng asawa ko masyado matamis. Slowly mix it. Then add the evaporated milk. Make sure all blended. Okay, once your mixture is done, so we will put in the lanera or mold. So this is our caramelized sugar. We add some water just to make it syrup a bit. Okay, now we can put a mixture. Put 1 cup each, strain. For this set, we can make for about 4 set. For 2 milk, evaporated milk, 2 condensed milk, and 10 eggs. Okay, done. This will be ready to steam. Okay, after 30 minutes, we will check if the leche flan ready. This is how you check if it's already cooked. Use the, then you open it. Then you see, you try it. Okay. Kung wala na siya nakadikit, so clear na, luto na ang ating leche flan. Atin na siyang pabugnawan. Okay. So, here's our leche flan. This is the leche flan. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next vlog.
So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna think. I wish I could erase it, make your heart believe. But ooh, I wage my war on the world inside. I take my gun to the enemy side.
So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button below for notification. Thanks for watching my Vislog and see you to the next vlog. Bye.